BMW X5 E70 with CIC head unit CarPlay module installation. First, we remove the C vents. Then disconnect the connectors, and we can take it off. Remove the screws here. And pull out the C control panel. Remove all connectors. This is our head unit. Remove the 4 screws securing the CIC. Take it out. Passenger side, we remove the glove box lower panel. There will be 3 screws here. Remove connector here as well. Now we need to reach into the microphone. And here we remove the console control panel, so we can connect our modules. Remove this cover as well. Now we are ready to install the wiring. This is our CarPlay module. This is the main module. This is the module power cable. This is a microphone to install on car. No need to install if your car already has a working microphone. This controls the console panel. This is a 12-pin connector. In our car, we have a 4-pin connector. In this case, this cable doesn't need to be connected either. Let's put it aside. This cable is for the main module. To receive eventual updates or connect the phone via USB, we need to plug it here. This is the video cable. We'll start installation now. CarPlay is installed here. And we took out the video cable. This cable has 2 ends. Ensure the cable can get into the glove box and come out on the head unit position. Now we need to connect our cable to the head unit video cable. One end here. Another end to the head unit itself. Like this. Install back the head unit now. All done for the video cable. Now we do the power cable. There are 2 connectors here. One is to connect to the car microphone wiring. One is the AUX input. Remove this cover and this other, so we can install cables in a clean way. From bottom to the top, we reach the place where the microphone is installed. We connect to the microphone connector and to the cable that used to be connected to the microphone connector. Done. Now we can close the panel. Now for the AUX cable. If the car has Bluetooth for music, you don't need to connect this. If you need to install, this AUX cable should be connected here, but it's too ugly to put it here. We need to remove this panel. Here is a buckle. Then we can remove the lighter. We can have the aux cable go through here. From the lighter we just removed coming out, and reach the connector. Reinstall the lighter. Connect the AUX. And it's done. Remember, if you don't have Bluetooth, you must do this step. Now for the control panel. This connects directly to the head unit. Here we have 4 screws we need to remove. Then we can pull out the gear lever. We can have the cable come out from over here. Then we can reinstall the gear lever. Connect the 4-pin connector. And here is the other end of the 4-pin connector. Now put the screws back on. Install the antennas of the CarPlay module. Either side is the same antenna if the car doesn't have a microphone. Connect ours to this connector. This connector goes to the CarPlay module. And it's done. USB can be left in an easy-to-find place in case it is needed. But normally, there would be no need. Now we use this tape to put in position the CarPlay. One side on the CarPlay. One on the car. This way it will stay in place. Now we need to reinstall everything. Installation complete.